Alright boys, this is your boy Doer Guy again, and I'm back here with another banger. So I know I haven't really been uploading a lot crazy, but got a little update for you guys. So a while back I was gonna buy a front splitter and I didn't buy it, and Matt came up with the idea of making our own front splitter, making it look like the bmspec. But in the process of doing that, the sheet metal, the ABS that we got is kind of too thick to make it into the bmspec kind of design. So we came up with our own design. I'll show you guys in a minute. So I'm gonna upload a picture actually right now. So as you guys can see, so this is this material is ABS plastic, and it's pretty solid, you know. It's like, I can't remember how thick it is, but it's pretty thick, you know what I mean. I'll leave a link to where I got it from and how much it was and everything, if you do want to make yourself one, or if you want us to make you one. And we did come up with an idea of making this and selling it to anybody with a Focus ST, the 2015 to the 2018 version of the Focus ST. So if you want one made for you, just make sure you hit me up in the DMs on IG. My IG name is going to be right there, and I'm going to put Matt's IG there right too, so you guys can hit him up and request for us to make you one and ship it to you. It's not too big, so if it comes in a box, it'll come in a, probably like this size from here to here in the box, you know. This is the middle piece of the front splitter. Like I said, I'm gonna upload a photo for you guys to see it good, and this will be the left side of the front splitter, and this is the right side of the front splitter. So we do have some kind of what do you call it, canards on the sides. I guess that's the right name of it, you know, like the fins, the wings or whatever of the front splitter. It goes like this, and it's just like that. We got that idea from a Ferrari, which I'm gonna go back and show you guys the design of where we got it from and everything like that. So let's go right back into it. So if you see, we got the ABS right here. It comes rough on the other side, you know. It's pretty rough here, and the other side is pretty smooth, and we just use a Dremel to cut it. We didn't have any special tool to cut it with, so Dremel really worked good with it. And we do plan on making this and selling it to other people. So if you have a Focus ST and from the 2015 to 2018 version and you want one, just hit us up and we're gonna make you one. It might take it takes, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks for us to make it, you know, in demand and stuff like that, and get it painted and everything, shipped to you and everything. So, but this is the wing, the fins or the wings, whatever it's called, that we got out of the Ferrari design. We just cut the same ABS plastic and kind of bent it a little bit, you know, to give it a bend shape. But this part right here is hidden, so you can't really see it. But if we do try this front splitter and it works good, we're gonna make a real one, you know, official one, without having these kind of weird bends and stuff like that. So this is it. It goes right on the side. I'm gonna upload a photo, like I said, for you guys to see it, then you guys can understand it, you know. So if you like this and you want to see more and more of this, and you want to get one made for you, just hit us up on IG. Our IG names is down below, and let us know. All right, boys, so this is your boy Doer Guy again. It was kind of loud. I recorded it and I messed up the audio, whatever, so I wanted to come back and give you guys an update. So as you're looking at the bmspec wing extension of my 2016 Focus ST, and I'll show you how the mounting points are. So the wing comes with this little mount right here. You're gonna tap in the screw right here, you know what I mean, and pretty much go right here with it, and you get these brackets looking thingy, and just drill a hole right in here. It's stable, pretty, you know. I don't think it's gonna do anything, you know. It's probably functional. I don't know how functional it is, but looks pretty cool from the back. And see, and boom, it's pretty tough in there. So all you have to do to mount this is just pretty much get this tail light out. It comes with T15 or T20, I think it is. You go there and you come back into your trunk. You're gonna pop this part open. It's just tabs that's holding it, you know. You just pop it open. It has these little 4 tabs in here. Pop it open. You're gonna go there, get this one out, this bolt. There's a bolt here. I just lost it. It fell right in here. And there's another bolt right there, and you're gonna get these little 2 bolts on the outer end, and you're just gonna yank it. It's gonna come out. So pretty much that's what you do to get there, to get the wing off of it. Do not do this whilst the wing is in the car, because it's not gonna be easy, and you're not gonna be able to see underneath the car to do it. But if you stand far away from the car, you look at it, you're like, holy shit, it's a wing extension on the car, but it doesn't look too big or too small. I think it looks the perfect size and the perfect angle for the car. This car is coming pretty good along, man. I'm really excited. I want to wash it, make it look good and shit like that, but I haven't washed it in like a couple weeks now. But I might be taking it to the car wash tonight to go power wash and get it cleaned up and beautiful looking. And the Maxstein design rear bumper is gonna get fixed sometime soon. I hope so. I hope so, you know what I mean? And another thing that is coming to the channel on the car, if you haven't really seen my past video or anything like that, I have a beautiful mount-tune intake system in the car, and man, I love this intake, man. It just looks really good, you know what I mean? A little cleanup and it'll look pretty good. I'm gonna get a new engine cover on this to make it pop out a little bit more. And also one more thing I might be getting is that my buddy's taking his RS apart, so he's might be selling me his mount-tune intake, which I might take the offer on that thing, because that's the mount-tune intake, man. I might take the offer on that mount-tune intake and put it on here, and there we'll have mount-tune intake, and we're gonna have mount-tune intake manifold, you know. And I did get the J9 Performance headlight cover, which goes right here and gives it a pretty decent clean look. I'll upload a photo from before and after for you guys, so there you go, before and after. And so yeah, so looks pretty dope, man. And the front splitter, you guys have seen the photo on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me and check out the photo that I took on Instagram. And one thing I did, because of my putting the front split and I'm painting the gloss black, is that I painted my what you call it, this part right here, what is it called, the fog light cover or whatever. I painted it to match it or whatever, so it looks pretty good. So if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the channel. This car's gonna go get washed soon, just to give it a little pretty clean look, you know. I'm still enjoying the blue Brembo brakes on it and the front and rear Brembo brakes on it. Man, this car's coming pretty good along. I'm real excited for good things to come up on this channel. So if you like to come with me on the journey to see more things and more good looking ST and the build motor that's getting done, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch it, man. I have so many videos I'm trying to upload like crazy for you guys, so check it out and share, subscribe, do anything you can to help the channel grow. Catch you guys later.